Hi everyone, welcome back to Maths Mondays, although it's not on a Monday this week, is it girls? No, it's a Wednesday this week. Why didn't we do it on Monday?
Because we're busy.
Yeah, it's the summer holidays, we're allowed to change our plans, aren't we? And what have we been doing today?
Playing games.
Yeah, using games is a great way to practice some of the things we have learnt. And the first game is called?
A Game of Two Halves.
Yeah, and we used it more for you, Holly, didn't we?
Yeah.
To help you practice your halving skills. So let's show people how this game works. Holly, you take your turn.
So you get the dice and roll them.
Give them a roll then. Which two numbers have we got?
8 and 4.
8 and 4. Right, let's build 8 and 4. Let's put 8 on the first tens frame and 4 on the second. Jess, you can help if you like as well. Don't worry about the dice, Holly. So 8 and 4. So just grab a handful, Holly, and fill up that frame until we've got 8 in there. Well done, Jess. You built 4. 7, 8. That looks like 8 and 4. Good. So it's called a game of two halves because we have to do two different things. The first thing we have to do with the two numbers is add them together. So, Holly, using the counters, can you add 8 and 4?
Yes.
Go on then.
8 and... So you add the 2
Good.
to make 10.
10. And what's left in the other frame?
2.
Good. Pop it in there then. So, and a 10 and a 2 is?
12.
12. Excellent. So 8 and 4 is 12. So the first job is now done. The second thing we need to do is half it. So can we split 12 into 2 equal groups? Have a go with the counters. See if you can play around with them. Can we make 2 equal groups? Can we split it in half? Is that equal? Yeah?
Yeah.
Good. So what is half of 12?
Half of 12 is 6.
6. Very good. So you have halved your number. So you get to take some points. So go over to the pile of cards, cut them, and what have you got?
6.
6 points. So take that card, put it in your points pile, or start your points pile, and we'll clear the tens frames. Right, Jess, your turn. Pick up those dice. Give it a roll. What have we got?
4 and 0.
4 and 0. Right, I don't think you need the counters because you're a bit older, aren't you? What's 4 and 0?
4.
4. Can you half that? What is half of 4?
2.
2. You get to take a card from the pile. How many points?
3.
3 points. Good. Put the cards back. You keep that 3 then. And Holly, we would go back to you now, but we're not going to keep going because people will get the idea of what to do. But what happens if you roll an odd number? Let's show people for a second. I'm going to pretend that you rolled a 4 and a 3. So quickly build a 4 and a 3 for me. Go and Jess, you can help do the 3 if you like. So we built the 4 and the 3. Add them together for me. So move them all across onto one frame if you can. Good. What's that?
7.
7. Right. Now then, we could try and split 7 in half. What happens when we try and split 7 in half? Give it a go. Try and move them into 2 equal piles. So there's 4 one side, 3 in the other, 5 and 3. Oh, move one of the other ones across again. So you can't do it, can you?
No.
Not without breaking one of them up into decimal numbers, which we don't know yet. So it's called what? An odd number. And in this game, what happens if you make an odd number?
You don't get a 5.
No cards, I'm afraid. So then the turn would go back to you, Jess, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
So odd numbers are not good in this game. Anyway, the full instructions as to how to play this game, there's actually a video on our Number Stacks website. Just sign up for a free trial if you're not already a member and then visit the games area. You can look on our link tree for the address for a free trial. And you carry on playing the game until you've had about, what, 5 goes each, girls?
Yeah.
And then you add up all your points, don't you? So that's more good practice for adding. And then whoever gets the most points is the winner. And who won the first game this morning?
Holly.
Holly did, didn't you? Well done, Holly. So we'll leave it there for now and we'll come back and we'll show you another one of the games we've been playing today in a moment. So wave goodbye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.